take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you.
Yo, what is up YouTube? It's Midwest Hypebeast coming at you with a Air Presto Mid X acronym utility live cop video, as well as Supreme Week 5 of Fall Winter 2018. And this first clip I'm going to show you is obviously me trying to cop the Air Prestos. And I just want to ask, did anybody else receive this weird spinning glitch? This has happened to me a few times, especially for the React 87s. I've received this, and this was on mobile, and I'm not sure why it took me so long to actually get into buying. Usually it's instant. I'm not sure if it was because I was on a computer, so I tried logging out, logging back in, and here I actually finally got into the payment after like 40 seconds, and I was sure it was sold out, but actually I'll just let the video speak for itself.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
So there was the final result. I was very unsuccessful. I actually tried copying all three colorways, and it took me about 3 minutes to get all three of them actually into the processing payment. And I did, obviously, like I said, take 3 L's, but it's alright. I'm not too worried about it, considering I was able to get I got ooped a pair for retail, the yellow ones, size 6, which I'm just gonna keep away. The guy said he had extra stock and he didn't mind giving me a pair for retail, so I said why not, right? So here is the Paz AIO bot live cop for Supreme. As you can see, I did run about 12 or 13 tasks. I did manage, not manage, I did want to run actually more. I wasn't able to, but alright, so the top timer, it's 9:50, 9:52, about 7, I think it dropped about 2 seconds early, so you're gonna see it's searching right now. That's when I started it, and I wanted to start it early. And as soon as you see getting product ID, yep, there's the product found. So then it's that's how you know it found it. I wanted to pray that I had the right keywords because I wasn't sure. And don't worry, this bot is an iOS bot, so that's why I'm filming from my phone, obviously. And I will be doing a review after this video to show you exactly how it works. Now, this is not just a Supreme bot, but also a Shopify bot. It has like 50 other websites like Shop Nice Kicks, Dover Street Market, stuff like that. It does not go run through sneakers or Adidas or anything like that. And I did manage to get CAPTCHA on one of the 13 tasks. I think I ran a 2 or 1 second checker delay, which was very risky and very slow, or I shouldn't say slow, a very fast checkout delay. So this does have CAPTCHA bypass, but clearly it didn't work for that one. Usually it's pretty good about bypassing CAPTCHA. It does have an embed for Google login, which is very helpful. And most of these I saw that it was queued and it was out of stock, so I said, oh man, I must be screwed, I must have not copped anything. But this bot has a really cool feature of when you do cop, it makes a really nice notification sound. So you're about to see on task number 4 that I actually did cop here in about a few seconds. Bang, there you go. And I was so stoked, and I went ahead and got the most hype tee in a large, the exact color. I didn't get a small, which I really wanted, but I'm going to take any color, or not, excuse me, I was going to take any size I could get, because these don't have a whole lot of resell, but I do feel like if I hold on to it, they will eventually appreciate. If you did enjoy this live cop video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Instagram at Midwest Hypebeast, where we will be doing a giveaway at 200 followers. We're only about 30 away. We will be giving away a Supreme Bouncy Ball and Supreme stickers, so please follow us on there, and you could have a chance to win that. And we will see you in the next video, where we will be doing a Paz AIO iOS bot review.